Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error, that is, it looks like something went wrong but we can help. Contact Microsoft support at support.microsoft.com. So if you're receiving this error message while purchasing Xbox Game Pass from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again with correct account. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it. Select your account, click on sign out. Again, click on your profile icon, click on sign in, select your account, then click on continue. And then enter your PIN or password over here. And then once you're logged in, you can go ahead and try to purchase the Game Pass once again. Also make sure that the date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. So make a right click on date and time. Then click on adjust date and time. Then make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on over here, and make sure date and time is correct over here. The next step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on the settings, click on update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, then click on additional troubleshooter. Scroll down, here you can see Windows Store apps, click on run the troubleshooter, and once that is done, try to purchase Game Pass. Now still you're facing the problem, then run this command, that is wsreset. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, make a right click on wsreset, then click on run as administrator. You will see this black screen. Do not close this black screen. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute for this black screen to go away, and once this is closed, it will open Microsoft Store. So here you can see the black screen is gone. It's opening Microsoft Store, and then you can try to purchase the Game Pass. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can reset the store app. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings, click on apps, and then type in store over here, and then click on Microsoft Store, then click on advanced options. Scroll down, click on reset, and once the reset is done, try to open Microsoft Store and then try to purchase the Game Pass. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, if nothing is working, in that case you can go ahead and purchase the Game Pass from online Microsoft Store using a browser. So you can open any browser and then open this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft Store on browser, and then in the search here you can go ahead and type in Xbox, and you can go ahead and select whichever Xbox Game Pass you want to purchase. So if you want for PC, you can select this. If you want Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you can click on this. If you want Xbox Live Gold, you can click on this. So whatever you want to purchase, you can go ahead and click on it, and then after that you can go ahead and buy it from here. So instead of purchasing from Microsoft Store, you can go ahead and purchase. You can open Microsoft Store on browser, and then you can go ahead and click on join, and then you can go ahead and enter your email address and password. And once you're logged in, you can click on join once again, and then you have to go ahead and click on next, and then you have to select the mode of payment. So you can select credit card, debit card, whatever you want, and then enter all the details, and then click on save, and this way you can go ahead and purchase it. Now still you're facing the problem, then in that case you can copy this link, and then you can go ahead and talk to Microsoft agent. So open this link. It will give you the option talk to an agent, then select your product as Windows, select your issue as technical support, then click on next, and then you can go ahead and talk to Microsoft agent. Here you can see the option is there, talk to a person, and in my case right now that option is closed right now. Chat option is closed. In your case, if you're selecting this option during the working hours, you can go ahead and chat and then get the issue resolved. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.